In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Judge.me on Shopify. Let's get started by opening your preferred internet browser and searching for Shopify. Once you've located the Shopify website, it's time to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your store's backend. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, head over to the Apps and Sales Channels section. You'll find an option to visit the Shopify App Store here, or if you prefer a quicker route, you can type Judge.me product reviews directly into the search bar. Either way will lead you to what you need for this setup. Once you're at the right place in the Shopify App Store, look for the Add App or Install button. Clicking this will initiate the installation process for Judge.me on your account. At this point, it's crucial to take a moment to review the app's requested permissions. This ensures that you're fully aware of any access or control the app requires over your store, helping to safeguard your business. With the permissions reviewed and granted, the app will install, and you'll be automatically redirected to the Judge.me dashboard. Here, you'll find the tools and settings needed to complete the setup and onboarding process. The dashboard is user-friendly, guiding you through each option so you can tailor the app to suit the needs of your store. The next step is enabling the app embed. This is essential for the review widgets to function correctly on your site. Judge.me will automatically redirect you to the theme editor to do this. In this editor, you'll find a simple toggle switch to activate the embed feature, ensuring that everything is set up for your widgets to appear seamlessly. While you are in the theme editor's Customize section, it's time to add an app section. Look for the option to include the Judge.me widget, which will allow customer reviews to be displayed prominently on your product pages. Adding customer reviews is an excellent way to build trust with potential buyers, showing real feedback from previous customers. Once your widgets are placed, you have the option to adjust their appearance, positioning, and other settings, tailoring them to align with your store's theme and brand identity. Whether you want to change the layout or adjust the color scheme, taking the time to fine-tune these options can make all the difference in creating a seamless and professional look for your store. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is an important step to ensure all your hard work is locked in and will be visible to your customers. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Judge.me on your Shopify store. This app is an excellent tool for boosting credibility and encouraging potential customers to make that all-important purchase. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to revisit each section or look for additional resources online. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.